Hello and welcome to LastofAvari channel. As you can see, I already have one more memory module, exactly the same size, 8 GB, exactly the same brand and model, HyperX Fury, 2666 MHz, and yeah, now I can turn them on dual channel mode, because obviously if you have just one of them, they are working slightly slower, but yeah. Now the speed is not only increased, but I actually have 16 GB of memory, which is quite helpful considering that I've just upgraded a couple weeks ago my system to 6-core CPU, and obviously DDR4 memory is helpful because you can't really have DDR3 in it. And I was planning to record the whole footage of me like reassembling my computer, motherboard and everything, but yeah, my camera started working weirdly, so I had to just stop, because vertical lines along the footage is not very nice, and well, I haven't changed anything. That's the same camera I'm filming on now, but now it's somehow working okay. I hope it will work fine, at least in short periods of time, so yeah. So far I didn't see anything corrupted, and maybe I'll throw in some surviving footage from initial build, but yeah, I'm not sure about that. Right now I'll just open this module where you actually have a little super tiny guarantee leaflet. I don't know if you can see. I don't know why do you need it. Well, guarantee is obviously required, but like installation guide, really. You have instructions in your motherboard manual anyway. But oh well. Let's build it, and yeah, 16 GB for a streaming and editing setup is actually pretty much necessary. So that's the final part of my current upgrade process, because yeah, now I have to concentrate on something else. Maybe eventually I'll get a SSD drive, like 250 GB or something, like I've said before, but yeah, for now that's pretty much it, and that's, well, that's not terrible, right?